Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Docs with Google Keep. So Google Keep is a note-taking app from Google that is quite useful to make everyday notes, and also you can use it to create a grocery list or a to-do list. So interestingly, you can actually put that content into Google Docs right away, and you don't have to use any third-party add-on because after all, these two software or these two programs are made by the same company. And if you actually look on the right hand side of the screen, you'll see this Google Keep icon. You can click on it and it will open this Google Keep window where you can see your recent notes, and of course you have the option to basically import them into your document. Let's say I want to import this list into my document. I'm going to place the cursor where I wanted to insert the content later. Maybe I'm going to put it here and then click on this icon and click add to document, and the list would be imported immediately. And of course I have to make some changes here because this is a bullet point, but this one is a checklist. But fortunately it was easy. I just need to change the format from a typical bullet point to a checklist. Okay, like that. Now it looks a lot better, a lot closer to the original state of the content. And of course you can also insert some photos or other type of content to the document. For example, I have this photo and I can just add to the document, and there you go. It's as simple as that. It's essentially just almost like copy and paste, and it's quite useful to immediately or instantly import your content from Google Keep to Google Docs. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.